Forgotten and past, ghosts and mortals together at last. All are welcome to dance and partake as we great shriek, terrorize and quake. Wake the rest of the dead, spooky city house is about to begin. We'll scream together as the golden fools arise.
foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. There's no turning back now.
The seance is about to begin. Thank you for joining us. We've been dying to have you. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, calling the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond, let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here, from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers?
Oh, dress for the party?
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake.
While the cryptos creaking to some sway, smooths come up for a swinging way. Happy haunts materialize. Grimly ghosts come out to socialize. Now don't close your eyes and don't try to hide. Or silly spook with a by your side. Trying on down to skies. Grimly ghosts come out to socialize.
Beware of hitchhiking ghosts.
Wiggles in my spirits well. Let's expose the fears. Grimly ghosts come out to socialize. Come out to socialize.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Though our gathering may have concluded, our ghosts remain here, never to be.
Welcome back, foolish mortals, to the land of the living. Your cadaverous presence was most appreciated.
Everything up on the wall. Went from 5 to 6 feet tall.